Alright, welcome back everybody. This is video tutorial number 5. We are going to be showing you today how to put in a floor system as well as how to sketch your roof and how to make it look like how you want it. So here I've got just a simple little house. So to put in a floor system is pretty easy. Once you've got your walls up, go up here to your floor tab and you click on it, and then we see we've got a 6-inch concrete slab, and you can change it depending on what you want. And then if you choose pick walls and then use boundary line, and all you gotta do is you click the walls you want it to be to. Easy as that. Click the green arrow and now there's a floor. You can't see it in this view, but if you go to 3D view, we now have a concrete slab at the bottom of our house. It looks really nice. Next up, we're gonna draw a roof. So easy again, go to roof by footprint, click there, boundary lines. We're gonna pick the walls again. And then I'm going to set it so I have a 1-foot overhang, because that's nice. Now, you can see the dashed line is 1 foot over, and that's how far my roof is going to be. So I can click all of my 4 walls and make sure my overhang's on the outside. It couldn't go to the inside, but once you start it going, it kind of stays there. Now, an important part of what we need to do is we need to define slopes. So we'll say okay right now, and we'll take a look at it. And there's nothing really there because our roof is set to the wrong level. I want to set it to roof. See, and it's a flat roof. So we don't really want that. So if we go back in here, select my roof, and click Edit Footprint, I want to click these walls here and have it define a slope on these two. And what that does is it makes it sloped. So I click the green arrow again, I go to my 3D view, and now I've got my roof, and I just need to adjust this base so it attaches to the top of my walls, and we're good to go. So hope this helps you out. Have a good day.